What a fine day everybody, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into eToro. Now for those people who do not know eToro, eToro is a financial service company. In a simple term, it's a trading platform where you guys can trade three stuff. I think like eToro is the only platform which allows three trading, the money trading, which is also known as, forex trading, and it allows you to trade stock as well, and it allows you to trade crypto as well. So that's three in one. So if you guys have not yet created an account in eToro, we have already made a video on how you guys can do that. So you guys can check that video out on our channel app tutorial. Well, this video is on login, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. And let's jump right into the video, shall we? First step, search for eToro and then click on versus etoro.com over here. Once you're over here, click on versus login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the login page of eToro. Now once you're over here, enter your username and enter the password of your account. And then click on sign in and you should be able to log in into your eToro account. And if your eToro account is linked with your Apple, Facebook or your Google ID, then at the bottom there's given these three options. You can click on it and it's going to ask you for the information. After providing the information it asks you, you can log in from that method as well. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.